Hey, what's up? Some days ago, OPPO introduced the new smartphones OPPO Find X2 and Find X2 Pro. But also the Chinese manufacturer has announced its first smartwatch. The name of the new smartwatch is OPPO Watch. Yeah, it looks very similar to Apple Watch. Do you know another smartwatch from Chinese manufacturer that looks like Apple Watch? Yes, it is Xiaomi Mi Watch. In this video, I want to compare design and the main features of OPPO Watch and Xiaomi Mi Watch. Both of them are almost twice as cheap as Apple Watch. So if you don't want to pay $400 for Apple Watch, or you don't like the smartwatch from Apple for some reason, then you can buy OPPO Watch or Xiaomi Mi Watch. Which one is better? Let's find out. Let's start with design. OPPO and Xiaomi smartwatches have a square display. However, OPPO Watch looks more similar to Apple Watch than Xiaomi Mi Watch because of the curved and rounded display. Do you know what's the main complaint to Xiaomi Mi Watch? Thick case. I don't think it is a big problem, but OPPO Watch is thinner than Xiaomi Mi Watch. The new smartwatch from OPPO has only two physical buttons on the right side, while Xiaomi Mi Watch has a crown and physical button. I think the crown is very convenient. It's a pity that OPPO decided to give it up. Xiaomi Mi Watch is available in one size, but two versions. Standard version has aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass 3 display, while the premium version has stainless steel frame and sapphire crystal glass display. Talking about new OPPO Watch, it is available in two sizes, 41 and 46 mm. You can choose from smaller or bigger display size. 41mm version has 1.6-inch AMOLED display, while 46mm version has 1.9-inch AMOLED display with 402 by 476 pixels resolution. Xiaomi Mi Watch has 1.78-inch AMOLED display with 368 by 446 pixels resolution. In my opinion, the new OPPO Watch looks better than Xiaomi Mi Watch because it has a thinner case and beautiful curved display, but I miss the crown. The crown is very convenient in smartwatches. Now let's talk about main functions. Xiaomi Mi Watch and OPPO Watch run on Wear OS operating system from Google. However, both of them use customized user interface. Xiaomi Mi Watch has MIUI OS, while OPPO Watch comes with Color OS. It means that some functions of Google Wear OS are not available on these watches, for example, Google Play Store. You cannot install any Android apps on Xiaomi Mi Watch, and most likely you cannot do this on OPPO Watch. From other side, both of them support eSIM, so you can receive and make calls. Also, Xiaomi Mi Watch and OPPO Watch have Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth, and GPS. So these are standalone smartwatches. You can use them without connection with the smartphones. Xiaomi Mi Watch has a Snapdragon Wear 3100 chipset, 1GB of RAM and 8GB of storage. OPPO Watch also has 1GB of RAM and 8GB of internal memory, but it is equipped with dual chipset, Snapdragon Wear 2500 and Apollo 3. The smartwatch uses Apollo 3 chipset in battery saver mode. We will talk about battery life a little later. Another feature of the new OPPO Watch is ECG monitor. The smartwatch detects anomalies and informs you about them. As you know, Xiaomi Mi Watch doesn't have ECG monitor. The other functions are about the same, such as sports modes, phone calls, notifications, etc. Most likely you are interested in battery life. Let's talk about this. The new OPPO Watch has 430 mAh battery, while Xiaomi Mi Watch has 590 mAh battery. Yes, Xiaomi smartwatch has bigger battery, but the battery life of OPPO Watch is longer. The manufacturer says that OPPO Watch will last for 40 hours in smart mode and 21 days in battery saver mode. You can use Xiaomi Mi Watch for only 36 hours. By the way, OPPO Watch supports wireless charging and VOOC Flash Charging. You need only 17 minutes to charge the smartwatch from 1 to 50%. That's really fast. Talking about price, Xiaomi Mi Watch is a little cheaper because it was released some months ago. You can buy Xiaomi smartwatch for $190. OPPO Watch will go on sale in China in coming weeks. The price of a 41mm version will be $216. If you want 46mm model, then you have to pay $289. We have already posted the video with full review of Xiaomi Mi Watch on our channel Tech Brothers. You can watch it by the link in description. The main problem of Xiaomi Watch is the Chinese operating system. I hope that OPPO will release the global version of its smartwatch with stock Google Wear OS. If they do that, it will be one of the best smartwatches on the market in 2020. Thank you for watching this video. What do you think of the new OPPO smartwatch? Leave your thoughts in the comments. See you soon!